Opening a digital bank account is quick, easy, and offers a range of benefits. Whether you want to save money, avoid fees, or manage your finances from anywhere, digital banks provide a modern solution. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to open a digital bank account. Step 1. Choose the right digital bank. The first step is to decide which digital bank suits your needs. Several online banks offer high-yield savings accounts, low-fee checking, or a combination of both. Research the features, fees, interest rates, and customer reviews of each bank to find the one that fits your financial goals. Popular options include Ally Bank, Chime, Revolut, and N26. Choose based on what you value most, whether it's no fees, high interest rates, or global access. Step 2. Gather required documents. Once you've selected a bank, the next step is gathering the necessary documents for your application. Typically, digital banks will require proof of identity, driver's license, passport, or government-issued ID, proof of address, a utility bill or lease agreement, social security number for U.S. residents, or equivalent national identification number, email address, and phone number. Make sure these documents are up to date and easily accessible to speed up the process. Step 3. Fill out the online application. Now that you have all your documents ready, visit the bank's website or download their mobile app to begin the application process. Digital banks make this easy with straightforward forms to fill out. Most applications will ask for basic personal details, including name and address, date of birth, social security number, or tax identification number, employment status, and income. For verification, the bank will use this information to verify your identity and ensure you're eligible for an account. Step 4. Verify your identity. Identity verification is one of the most critical steps in the process. Many digital banks will ask you to upload a selfie or a picture of your ID to confirm your identity. This may also involve answering a few security questions or providing additional documentation. Some banks use AI-powered verification systems to speed up this process, but it can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Step 5. Make your initial deposit. Once your identity is verified, you'll typically need to make an initial deposit to activate your account. Some digital banks offer no minimum deposit requirements, while others may require a small amount to open the account. You can fund your account via bank transfer, credit or debit card, mobile payment services. Once your deposit is complete, your account is officially open. Step 6. Set up your account and services. After opening the account, you can start customizing it to suit your needs. Set up direct deposit for paycheck deposits, recurring payments like bills or subscriptions, mobile alerts for transactions and balance updates. Many digital banks also offer features like budgeting tools, cashback rewards, or even credit score tracking, so be sure to explore all available options. Step 7. Start using your account. Finally, you're ready to use your new digital bank account. You can access it anytime via the bank's mobile app or website to check your balance, transfer money, or pay bills. Conclusion. Opening a digital bank account is simple and can be done in just a few steps. Choose the right bank, gather your documents, fill out the application, verify your identity, make a deposit, and set up your services. Soon you'll be able to manage your finances from anywhere, anytime. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips.